Hey guys, it's Lam here again, your tech guide, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys different types of screen protector for your Samsung Watch Active 2. You've probably noticed these two already, the IQ Shield and the Watch Film Tempered Glass Screen Protector. So today I brought these two in just to give you guys a different point of view, what kind of screen protector out there on Amazon. These screen protector are pretty much rated quite high on Amazon. That is the reason why I purchased them, except for the tempered glass screen protector. The reason why this one is rated quite low is because of the instruction of the installation. Whatever they instructed on the manual, it is completely wrong on how to install it. That's why if you saw my video, I was struggling installing it, and it was causing a lot of bubbles, whereas I did some implementation in my own way of installing it, and I was able to install it properly without any bubbles. As you can see right here, this is the tempered glass that I installed in one of my Galaxy Active 2, and it is doing perfectly fine. I even immersed it underwater. Until now, it is still stuck on the screen display without no bubble, without any lifts on the corners. So we're gonna open them all up. I'm gonna show you guys the size of the screen protector, because some of them on Amazon, some of the sellers are describing it that some of the screen protector out there really covers the entire front screen display, which I doubt it, guys. All of the screen protector are pretty much the same size, as you can see from here. I don't know if you could see that it is not fully all the way to the edge. So let me see here if I could get a glare. See, as you can see that it's not fully to the edge, but some sellers, they do claim it that it will cover the entire screen protector, which I will prove them wrong. And also we're going to be checking them out, what kind of installation you need to do, if it's a liquid or sticker installation style. So let's open them up. Since you guys already saw this one, we're gonna start with the brand new one, which I haven't opened yet, and I will be installing this on my other Active Watch 2 right here, which needs a screen protector, and we're gonna do an update on that as well once I install one of these brand new screen protectors. So this is the Rhino Skin Shield 40mm. All right, so this one looks like it might be a liquid form of installation, and let's put this on the side for now. So what you get inside the box, you do get your instruction manual here, or no, that's not the one. You get your, so it looks like it is a liquid. Use this solution to assist in installing the film as directed. Do not spray or shake well before using. So this is a liquid form of installation. It comes with your cloth, cleaning cloth there, and of course your screen protector. So I'm gonna measure the size here, guys. I want to see if it's the same as the other ones that I've installed so far, or you know what, let's just match it on my Active Watch 2 here. So it looks like it's pretty much the same size. I could just grab one here and waste one. I got plenty, so I'll just take one out and just quickly install it on front of my Active Watch 2 here, just to see the size of the screen display, or the size of the screen protector. So yep, it's pretty much exactly all the same size, guys. And yeah, so it's pretty much the same. There's no complete coverage of the screen protector, and the film is quite thick. I can't even rip it apart. But anyways, let's move on to the next one. Let's put this one away to the side. So the next one we've got here is the Link or I can't ink screen protector. It's a TPU. You got 6 pieces inside. So let's check out what it comes inside here. All right, so you've got stickers, dust absorber, and what else do we have here? Oh, what's this? And it looks like you might have a guide to install the screen protector. And hey, and here they are. So it's a totally different complete setup and method of installing it. So you definitely need to read the instruction for this. And again, let's match it up on our watch just to see if it is a full coverage. So this one might be the closest or the biggest or I mean the most coverage you could possibly get. It really does cover almost the entire screen display. So maybe this one I will try to install on my next video. We're gonna check that out and see if it does really cover the entire screen display. But this is what you get. There's 6 of them in here, and I definitely need to read or watch their video how to install this. And you get a bunch of pamphlet and so forth here. And now inside here you get your wipes, your solution. Let me see if it takes solution or anything. You get your alcohol prep pad. You got quite a bit of them in there. And you get, what is this? Maybe this might be the instruction manual. This one, oh, this is, what is this? Oh, this is to, like a squeegee to get rid of or to strain the screen protector, but it looks like I don't even see the solution. It might be just a sticker style of installation, not the liquid form. So I don't know why they require the squeegee here, but anyways, that is what you get from this package. Now I'm going to show you guys the one that I've tested already, the tempered glass screen protector and the IQ Shield, which are amazing screen protector. I've had mine on my active watch, one of them more than a month and the other one's approximately 3 weeks, and they have been great in serving well on my active watch too. So this is the tempered glass screen protector. So let me just remove this tape. It's been open already, so I just kind of taped it up. So you pretty much get your alcohol wipes in here. You get your sticker guide, your dust absorber, and of course you get the tempered glass screen protector here, which has slightly of a thickness to it, which definitely will protect your active watch, especially when you drop it on the floor. So you do get, I can't remember how many pieces you get there, maybe like 3 or 4, I can't remember anymore. And yeah, so like again, you can't go wrong with these 2 screen protector here, but this one you really need to watch my video on how to install this, because you're gonna have a hard time with the bubbles when you're installing it. So next, this is the IQ Shield. This thing is rated pretty high on Amazon. That's why I bought this immediately, because of the rating. So you get your cloth and you've got your screen protector here and your other alcohol swab wipes, dust absorbent, and so forth. And you do have your squeegee here. This is a liquid form of installation. This is your liquid. The tempered glass, this is pretty much a sticker style installation. So like again, you really have to be cautious on how to install that, because you will definitely get bubbles if you don't install it properly. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna try to install this one here, which is I'm very curious because of the size of the screen protector. It seems like it does cover the entire screen protector on my screen on the active watch too. So we're gonna check this out on my next video. stay tuned for that and we'll do an update and so forth. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any other questions or any other accessories or watch bands you want me to review, leave me a comment down below, guys. I will buy them, I will review it, and you guys, all you have to do is just watch it. I will save you guys time buying it on your own, wasting your own time, and then if you don't like it, you have to go all those process of returning it. It's just a lot of hustle, guys. So if you just leave me a comment down below what kind of watch bands or accessories you want me to do or test, just leave it down there and I will do it for you guys in no cost whatsoever. So that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.